wonder, hit them like wonder, hit them wonder, stratosphere region. It wonder from outer space. Nah, let's ping them.
Funny shoes. Our police expect the car to move. What's your barrel? No. Come here, what now? Which one? Are the woman cars? Are the woman cars? And nobody don't want to get washed with because if you can't wash with that, you wash with people. Can't come out. No, sir. This is normal. Nobody can come out of them car. I don't know about whether this.
I know why it's stop. I think why it's stop, you know.
You look up in that car? Oh, no, straight in the line with the red one.
So it's forward, so I left this forward. Going to they can't come here, come move. But the rest are moving, it's not problem. The judge, water off the tree. Look there, flood on. Look there. Flood on. Look there. Look there. Oh, that car I got there. Look there. The car broke down in the middle of the road. Look there. Yeah, you can't walk on the side. You can't walk on the side.
A next one come down. My God. A next one come down. Yeah, them crash rotted. Oh God. My God.
It wonder, hit them like Nantana, make them wonder. Stratosphere region. It wonder from outer space. Ding them. It's something strange in the neighborhood. Who wanna call? Hit wonder, stand up, and afraid and now goes boom. It wonder back at it again, people. Yeah, people. Remember, subscribe, leave a thumbs up, leave a like, share it, and telling a friend. It free people. Just like my video and share my video. You see me I say, just share it, man. You know how to press on the notification bell to know that my video is out. Just press on all, press on the red button, and now good to go. Yeah. And always remember to praise the Most High. Let's get into it. No. Yeah, people, what I want to talk about, seeing Afro Tree and New Kingston was flooding out, people. It did a flood out from Friday when the rain did fall. Seeing me do a video about it for Mobile. But Friday, I never know that New Kingston was flooding out and Afro Tree was flooding out. I can't believe that Afro Tree and New Kingston did a flood out. Wicked. To all people get stuck in the water. People can't all draw to, like, people keep parking at the parking lot, you know, people. And the rain, the way the water was so heavy, it draw the car them from one another. Jeez, I'm crying. People, I don't know what going on with the drainage. I don't know what the government are going to do, but this don't look good, people. I don't know for proper drainage, I don't know for people throw things in the gully. Why it has a flood out? Kingston never flood out, so. Half your tree never flood out, so. So what is going on with these drainage? You see me? What is really going on with these drainage? I don't know what going on with the drainage, but something have to be done. I don't know what going on with it, but it's not normal. And people need to do better. Stop throwing the things in the gully and then think that because it make the things then flood, or we need better drainage or we need a new drainage, because years them drainage just stay so. So I don't know what going on, or the government need to get some people for clean it out, get people for work, get people active, you know. So I don't know what them are gonna do about the drainage. Yes, so leave a comment and leave a like on that. When you think about the drainage and when you think about the flooding, what go on. Yeah, we want to talk about our youth where the police them killed. Him name Jamar, what's his name? Jamar him name, but his last name sound funny people, Jamar. He was in his house and it looked like him have a CCT in him house, and him see the police because him did upstairs, and him see the police and him come downstairs with him hand up. And me hear say when him come downstairs, them cry the man upstairs back and kill him cold blooded in him room. People say him man a criminal, people say him man a gunman, him man a nothing. You understand? And all the while youth them are criminal. And these police, they need to go to prison. They need to go prison. They need to go prison. The man come with him hand up in the air and only take the man upstairs and kill the man. Them police there will go to prison. I want Andrew Onis look into this. Because them police boy there, them for go to prison. That are wickedness. Why you kill the youth? Even if the youth are criminal and him, you know, see no gun on him and him come with him hands up, take the youth, put on handcuff and crime when I go, and you don't have to kill the youth. And me hear say them that wear the body camera, and me hear say the police turn off the camera. So all them dirty police here, and criminal and corrupted police, them are evil, them are wicked, them not no right for going to the youth house and go kill him in private space. You know, see no gun on him, you know, see nothing on him, and you go kill the youth. Afraid with that. I hope Andrew will see this, you know. Them youth there, will go to prison. Them police boy there, them are criminal. Them are criminal. I want the family sue them and sue the department. Because if that was uptown, them youth them nah go kill no uptown. Them nah go in and no uptown people, them are murder no uptown people. Always poor people picking them do so. Them family for sue them corrupted police, wicked boy there. And I hope Andrew Onis look into this, because these are wicked people. Leave in the comment and tell me what you think. I'm out.